Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can wrap your text into your shape in Adobe Illustrator. So I have this circle shape right here. Make sure that's the outline one. I'm also going to select the knife tool and I'm going to create like this wavy split in the middle. Then I am going to go to text and I'm going to add in a text here. Summer vibes. I'm gonna do that. Let's pick like a cute font for it. Maybe this one. And I'm going to copy and paste it. You can change the colors now or later, but I prefer doing it now. I'm just going to go with this turquoise kind of color. And then for this one, I want to select, let's see, maybe like an orange. That is not an orange color. There we go. Right click, arrange, send it back, as well as this one. Select the text and the shape, go to object, go to envelope distort, make with top object, and you're going to do the same thing with the bottom one. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!